right, so I'm going to show you how to create rings of tangent circles in GeoGebra. So I'm going to start with a point A equals 0, 0, B equals 1, 0. I'm going to grab my regular polygon tool. Actually, not yet. Let's make this a ring of n circles. So I'm going to grab my slider and I'm going to make it integer from 3 to 30. Then I'm going to grab my regular polygon tool, click on A, then B, and tell it that I want n vertices. I'm going to make the opacity of this polygon 0. I'm going to increase n quite a bit so that I have some room to work in. And I'm going to center my polygon. I'm going to grab my perpendicular bisector tool and put in 2 perpendicular bisectors. I'm going to grab my intersect tool and put in my center and the midpoints of these 2 sides. I'm going to draw in my first circle. Then I'm going to draw in this line and I'm going to put in an angle bisector. And I'm going to find the point where that angle bisector intersects that first circle. And I'm going to draw a line from the center of that circle to that point. Where that intersects this next radial line, that's the center of my next tangent circle. And I can keep repeating this process. So where that angle bisector intersects this circle, I've got a point, draw a line. Where that intersects, I have the center of my next circle. Let me zoom in. Where it intersects, I have a point, draw a line. Where it intersects, I have my next circle, and my next circle, etc. And so you can keep doing this however many times you want. But we want rings of them, so I'm going to make a couple of sequences of these circles. So let's start with C1. So I want a sequence of rotations of C by 2 pi I over n about L, where I goes from 0 to n minus 1. And I'm going to copy this and paste it for all my other circles. So I'm going to do circle E. I'm going to do circle C underscore 1. I'm going to do circle D underscore 1. And then what was the last one? What circle are you? Circle E underscore 1. And now, when I move my slider, I've got all these cool rings of tangent circles, and I could keep putting in more if I wanted to, but I'm going to leave it there. All right, cool, thanks.